You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words once and for all correctly. In English, they are pronounced exactly the same way, with a very different spelling and a different meaning. Let's look at how to pronounce them. Wade. So the top word, W-A-D-E, means to walk with effort through water or another liquid. Wade, to wade through water. Wading. Now, the bottom word is when you weigh something, when you measure the mass, the weight of something. It's also pronounced as weighed, as in his mass was weighed, or the car was weighed the other day and it weighted about 4,000 pounds. Weighed. The car was weighed. Alright, so weighed. Both pronunciations in English are the same. Weighed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.